students, here in this video we'll see a problem on projection of lines inclined to both the planes. The question is, a line AB 70 mm long is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to HP and 45 degree to VP. Its endpoint A is 10 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections of the line AB. Assume complete line to be in the first quadrant. Now this is the question in front of us. First, I'll write the data for this question. Line AB 70 mm long. So that is the true length of the line. I'll write down that is true TL is equal to 70 mm. Then is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to HP. Inclination with HP is seen in VP and that angle is theta, that is inclined to HP at 30 degree. Next, and 45 degree to VP. Inclination with VP is seen in HP. The angle is denoted by phi. Next, its endpoint A is 10 mm above HP, 20 mm in front of VP. Point A is 20 mm above HP, 10 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections of the line AB. Assume the complete line to be in first quadrant. It means line AB is in first quadrant. So it means both the points A and B are to be there in the first quadrant. Now I'll start the solution to this problem. First I'll draw an XY line. Then VPHP. Now here it is given line AB 70 mm long is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to HP. So whatever the conditions are given here, in solving such questions in which the lines are inclined to both the planes, as we see here the line is inclined to HP and VP, so it is inclined to both the plane. For such a question we should have 5 parameters, and if we see here, in total the 5 parameters are there with us. So starting with point A, I locate it first. 10 mm above HP, 20 mm in front of VP. Ten mm above HP is seen in VP. 20 mm in front of VP is seen in HP. Ten mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. So this will be called as point A dash in the front view. In the top view, point A. Now the line is inclined at an angle of 30 degree with HP, so that will be visible in VP. So from A dash, I'll measure an angle of 30 degree. Drawing a light line through it. Then measuring the length, which is 70 mm in the compass, because that is the true inclination which is given here. Measuring this 70 mm, cutting this line. So here I'll give the notation as B1 dash, that is the front view for the true length of the line. Next, similarly, I'll measure the angle with respect to VP, that is 45 degree with VP, that will be seen in HP. So measuring 45-degree angle from point A, then again I'll measure the same true length, that is from A dash to B1 dash, which is 70 mm, keeping it on point A and cutting this line. So here I'll get another notation, I'll give it as point B2. Then after that, these are the true length, and when a line is inclined to both the planes, in that case, in the front view and top view, we are not going to get the true length of the line, but it will be called as the apparent length. So how to get that apparent length? For that, here I'll project B1 dash with the help of a light line here onto this horizontal line, then giving the notation here as it will be B1. Similarly, B2, I'll bring it into the numerator up to this horizontal line. Now this will be called as B2 dash. Next, for the apparent shape, here I'll draw a light line through B1 dash, drawing a light line, and it is called as locus of point B dash. Then I'll measure the distance from A dash to B2 dash, that is the top view which has been projected as a front view, A dash B2 dash. This is the front view of this inclined line. So I'm taking that inclination, that distance, and then plotting it behind so that it cuts this locus, so that I get the point B dash here. That will be B dash. Then joining it with the help of light line. Next, where I got B dash, I'll project it light. Next, here this line which I have projected from B dash, then point B should also be on this line. For that, I'll measure the distance from point A up to B1, cutting this line. Next, here we can see that if I draw a horizontal line through these points, I'm getting the same location, means this will be called as locus of point B. Then joining it, because here I'm getting this as point B. So joining A to B will give me the true length, or here it is giving me the actual line, not the true length. So I have to make it dark. I'll make it dark from A to B, then from A dash to B dash. Next, A dash B1 dash, that is the true length or in the front view of the line, so that should be medium dark. I'm using red color here, which indicates the medium dark line. Similarly, A to B2, that will also be medium dark. Next, whatever I've drawn, those are light lines. The inclination of the true length with HP, theta is equal to 30 degree, and inclination of the true length with VP, phi is equal to 45 degree. And then this is the true length equal to 70 mm. True length is 70. A dash B dash will be called as EL, that is the elevation length, or we can say the actual length of the line in the front view. Then A to B is PL, which is called as the actual length of the line in the top view. And with this, the problem is completed.